Hi, my name is Luen Yang. I am a comic book writer. I write Superman comics, among other things. Let's work on our Fortress of Solitude Journal some more. Now imagine a lot of times when Superman goes up to his own Fortress of Solitude, it's because he's had a really rough day. And he would sit there and think about what his ideal day might be like. His ideal day, I'm sure, would involve Jimmy Olsen and Lois Lane, his two best friends. It might involve him taking them up to a mountain somewhere and enjoying the view. Superman can design his own ideal day, and so can we. That's exactly what we're going to do in our journals today. Here is the writing prompt. If you could create the perfect day, what would it look like? I'm going to take some time answering this for myself, and I'll come back and share with you what I wrote. Let me share with you what I wrote. My ideal day. Instead of writing a standard paragraph, I decided to organize my journal entry around the 5 W's. Who, what, where, when, and why. My who is my wife and kids. My what is to go see fish and also to eat noodles. My where, I would go to the aquarium and then to the noodle house. When? On a weekend sometime. And why? For fun. You can see that you don't necessarily have to write a paragraph in order to create a journal entry. You can even do it using the simple technique of organizing your thoughts around the 5 W's. Why don't you give that a try, and I will see you next time.